Xiang Eggplant, or Chinese-style spicy garlic eggplant, is one of the most loved home-style dishes in Asia. Sweet, sour, savory, and slightly spicy, this dish hits every note and pairs perfectly with rice. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we're showing you how to make this aromatic and flavorful classic right in your own kitchen. Choose eggplants that are glossy, light in weight, and slightly soft to the touch. That's how you know they're tender and fresh. Cut them into long strips, and if you're not cooking them immediately, soak them in salted water to prevent oxidation and browning. For the pork mixture, season minced pork with soy sauces, sugar, 5-spice powder, a little water, and sesame oil. This gives the meat a smooth texture and rich aroma. Start by heating some oil and stir-frying minced garlic, chopped shallots, and soaked dried shrimp until fragrant. Add the minced pork and stir-fry until it changes color, then remove and set aside. In the same pan, add a bit more oil and sauté the eggplant until lightly golden. Add a splash of water, cover, and let it soften through gentle steaming. Return the pork mixture to the pan, then add doubanjiang, sugar, chicken powder, and a touch of black vinegar. Simmer until the sauce thickens and clings to the eggplant. Finish with a cornstarch slurry to glaze everything beautifully and top with chopped spring onions. The key to success is heat control. Don't over-fry the eggplant pan-searing, and then steaming it keeps it moist while reducing oil. Adding the vinegar at the end brings out that signature yuxiang fragrance that makes this dish unforgettable. What you need is 2 medium-size eggplant, minced pork, 200 grams, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 chopped shallot, 1 tablespoon dried shrimp, soaked and drained, doubanjiang or spicy bean paste, 1 tablespoon, light soy sauce 1 tablespoon, dark soy sauce 0.5 tablespoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, Chinese black vinegar 1 tablespoon, 5-spice powder, a pinch, chicken powder 0.5 teaspoon, cornstarch 1 tablespoon for thickening, water about 100 milliliters, sesame oil 0.5 teaspoon, spring onion to taste, cooking oil 2 tablespoons, and calories is approximately 180 kilocalories per 100 grams. If you enjoyed this flavorful and comforting dish, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, where the taste of Asia comes to life in your home kitchen.